For individuals and small businesses keen on meticulous financial tracking without the recurring costs of subscription software, GnuCash stands out as a robust, free, and open-source solution. It's a powerful double-entry accounting system that, while sometimes perceived as complex, offers incredible flexibility and detail for managing your money. One of the most fundamental aspects of good financial health is budgeting, and GnuCash provides the tools to do just that. As an accounting software expert, I often encounter users wondering how to harness GnuCash for effective budgeting. While it doesn't have a single budget wizard button that spits out a perfect budget, its flexibility allows for a highly customized and powerful budgeting process once you understand its core principles. The key to budgeting in GnuCash lies in its budget accounts and the budgeting tool that interacts with them. Let's break down the steps to create a budget in GnuCash, designed to be easy for anyone to understand and follow. Step 1. Establish your account hierarchy for budgeting. Before you even touch the budgeting tool, the foundation of your GnuCash budget lies in your chart of accounts. A well-organized account hierarchy is crucial. For budgeting, you'll primarily be focusing on your income accounts and expense accounts. Income accounts. These represent where your money comes from, e.g., salary, freelance income, interest income. Expense accounts. These represent where your money goes, e.g., rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, entertainment. Ensure that your income and expense accounts are detailed enough for you to track spending categories effectively. For instance, instead of just food, you might want groceries and dining out. The more specific your accounts, the more precise your budget can be. Step 2. Access the budgeting tool. Once your accounts are set up, navigate to the budgeting feature. In GnuCash, you can usually find it under the menu, Tools, Budgets, New Budget. This will open a dialog box where you'll start defining your budget. Step 3. Name your budget and set its scope. Give your budget a meaningful name, e.g., monthly household budget, Q3 business budget. Next, you'll need to define the budget's start date and duration. Start date. This is the beginning of your first budget period. Duration. This defines the length of each budget period, e.g., 1 month, 3 months, 1 year. Most personal budgets are monthly, while business budgets might be quarterly or annually. GnuCash will automatically create periods based on this duration. You'll also see an option for default amounts from current totals. This is a handy feature if you have historical data in GnuCash. If you check this box, GnuCash will attempt to pre-fill budget amounts based on your actual income and expenses over a recent period. While a good starting point, remember that past spending isn't always indicative of future goals, so you'll likely need to adjust these. Step 4. Define your budgeted amounts for each account. This is the core of budgeting. The budgeting window will present a list of your income and expense accounts. For each account, you will enter your budgeted amount for the specified period, e.g., per month if your duration is 1 month. For income accounts, enter the amount you expect to receive. For expense accounts, enter the maximum amount you plan to spend. Key considerations for setting amounts. Realism. Be realistic about your income and expenses. An overly optimistic budget is quickly abandoned. Historical data. Use your past GnuCash transactions or bank statements/receipts if you're new to GnuCash as a guide. Financial goals. Align your budget with your financial goals. If you're trying to save more, your expense categories should reflect that. Flexibility. Some expenses are fixed, e.g., rent, while others are variable, e.g., groceries. Factor this variability into your budget. Savings as an expense. Treat savings goals, e.g., savings emergency fund, savings vacation, as an expense in your budget. This ensures you allocate money to them before you spend it elsewhere. You can click on individual accounts to set their amounts. GnuCash will display columns for each budget period you defined, e.g., Jan, February, Mar if you chose a monthly duration. You can set different amounts for different periods if your income or expenses fluctuate throughout the year. Step 5. Save your budget. Once you've entered all your desired amounts, click OK, or save to store your budget. GnuCash will save this budget definition. Step 6. Tracking your progress, the budget report. Creating the budget is just the first half of the equation. The real power comes from tracking your actual spending against your budgeted amounts. GnuCash provides a dedicated budget report to help you do this. Navigate to Reports, Budgets, Budget. In the report options, select the budget you just created. You can also specify the date range for the report, e.g., the current month, quarter, or year. The budget report is incredibly insightful. It will show budgeted amount, the amount you plan to spend or receive for each account in the selected period. Actual amount, the actual income received or expenses incurred for each account, pulled directly from your GnuCash transactions. Difference, the variance between your budgeted and actual amounts. A positive difference for expenses means you spent less than budgeted, good, while a negative difference means you overspent, needs attention. For income, a positive difference means you earned more than expected. Running totals. The report can also show cumulative progress throughout your budget year.